Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Go 4 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset back to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this basically for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any pairing problems, like this speaker is not pairing with your phone, or it's not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's stuck connected to the wrong device, any kind of issues like that, or if it keeps disconnecting, a lot of issues can be fixed with this factory reset. The second one is kind of related, and that's basically for any reason where you want to just wipe all the pairing history, all the settings off of this speaker, so that you can go ahead and set it up like it's a brand new speaker coming out of the box. So because we're going to be doing that, when we do this, we're going to also want to go on and delete it off of, if we have it on the app, we're going to delete it off the app. We're going to have our phone forget it as a paired device. And then we're just going to come in and press and hold the play and volume up buttons for at least 2 seconds. And after there's at least 2 seconds, that will cause this speaker to reset to its factory default settings. We can go ahead and repair it with our phones and everything like that, like we're setting up a brand new speaker. So if this video worked for you, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.